Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie and this is my baby girl. That's my first fruit. Today's a very exciting day because I'll be traveling to Edea for the very first time, and I'm going there for work. I'm going there for mission order. Our CEO has sent me there on a mission order. Like you guys, I just did my hair. I'll be going along with my husband. Yeah, so I did my hair and my nails, you guys. It's about to be lit. So I'm just from the salon. I've done my hair, my nails. My husband is prepped. Mr. Handsome. He has shaved like he shaved. Respect yourself. He shaved on Sunday. So we are just going out to get ready, pack our small belongings, and then we will be back tomorrow. So please stay tuned for this vlog. It's going to be I just discovered that my mic has low battery. I've not charged my mic. So right now we are at Munselili. You guys remember the other day, still I think in this vlog or maybe another vlog, I told you that we passed here and we bought one fufu corn. It was so delicious. So right now my husband has gone there to check if the woman is there this afternoon. It's about past 2 o'clock if she's there, but if not, we are going to get some chicken. You guys, of recent, the best part of chicken is the mash. If you know mash, let me know in the comment section. That's the best part of chicken. So there's one soya place here at Misele Police Control, so we want to buy mash. So I just want to update you guys. I might not be able to vlog because I want to give you guys quality and my mic is low. We'll pass in our house in Douala. Maybe I will charge it there, but I don't know for how long we'll stay there. Okay, this is 2:13, so I might not be able to vlog until we get to where I'm going to, so stay tuned. I just wanted to update you guys. I'm starving. Okay, my baby girl is sleeping. Oh, she's sleeping. I mean, chick if you are not going more bono. I have a bang na cook and to a boy. To a bang na cook. Guys, we are now at Santa Lucia. We want to get some food before we continue our journey. I'll show you the food when I'm back. I can't vlog because I'm with my baby. You guys, we had a little bit of traffic and tiredness because somebody was, I don't know the person, wanted to pass and they had to block the road. So we are hungry. Let's get some food. Toll gate entrance at the toll gate of Edea. So from this toll gate now, just this is a toll gate. We just paid a toll gate So right now we've entered. So guys, it has been an exciting experience. I got to see the ferry for the very first time. Like you guys, I saw ferry for the very first time. So this has been a very exciting experience for me, being my very first time in Edea, and I had to cross Dibamba River. Dibamba, then that's what they call it now. Yeah. Yes, I had to cross it. So it was a very beautiful experience for me. Wow. Yeah, so maybe 10 minutes from now we'll get to where we are going to. So this is the entrance of Edea. Welcome to Edea, you guys. This is Edea. My husband said we still have to cross one river, the river where electricity is tapped from. Yeah, we have to cross that river. So please stay tuned. If you have not seen that river, I'm going to show you in this video. So please. Guys, can you see the dam from here? That is the dam. Yes guys, that's the dam. This river is so big, you guys. Oh my god, can you guys see that? Zoom in. Can you guys see it? It's so big, so big. That's the dam. My god, you guys, this and that, something interesting here. There is this, I don't know whether it's flyover or it's a bridge. Oh my god.
Very old ancient bridge built by the Germans.
Bridge. That's it there.
You know, you see, I tell you why, you see that bridge.
You guys, a quick room tour. So when you enter the room, we have this table here where we have everything packed on it. Look at our luggage just for one night. Then we have our bed here. We have this area where you can sit down, and then we have this wall. It's so big. Like you guys, we've searched everywhere, and this is the best we can see for now. And then look at the TV is up here. I like one thing about the TV, so that we can watch movies the whole night, because we have this wall app going on here. I love the fact that there is this mirror here where you can sleep and see yourself. Like, baby person is so happy. This is my husband. You guys, we have searched everywhere. Like, we have searched everywhere. This is the only hotel we can see in this place called Edea. Look at my baby girl. Mother, say hi. This is the only hotel so far we can see in this place. Like, we arrived here maybe, let me say 5 something, and I think the time now is almost to 8 o'clock everywhere, even a boulangerie. So I think if there are more hotels here, then this place will really be a good place. But the hotels here, they are really limited. Oh, and then I forgot to show you guys, we have this fridge going on. We have a lot of stuff here. We got some pizzas from Santa Lucia. This is meat. And then we have this other pizza here. And then we have a lot of stuff in here. I even bought milk for my baby girl. Like, you guys, we have a lot of stuff. A lot. I love the fact that this chair the fridge. Let me see if there's anything in the fridge. There's nothing. Okay, guys.
It's okay.
So this is the next day. I'm off to the office to go and teach and then do what I've been sent to come and do. So this is the road going to the office in Edea. So we're a little bit confused, but the previous day we came and we looked for the office. So in the morning it wasn't a problem again. We just woke up and we are heading straight to the office. And as you can see, today was Edea market day, so we are heading off to the market. So this is the Edea market, as you can see in front of us. This is Edea market. It's a very big market, not too big, but it's a big market. I didn't really tour the market, like go inside to see what's happening there, but I can tell you it's a big market. This is just a front part where you see these bike people, and then from there you just go into the market and then you can get whatever you want. So I think Edea is a very beautiful place, but if you have a plan maybe to open a hotel or a very good boulangerie, maybe you should consider going to Edea. I don't know if it's because I didn't really tour the place, but from my findings, from the time I arrived there looking for a hotel, it was really difficult for people directing me there. Some did not even know hotels where they could direct me. All of them were almost sending us to the same hotel, like the same hotel. So at this point I have arrived my destination where I'm going to. Yeah, so see you soon. You guys, I'm in the office right now and it's almost time for me to go to the hall and teach. I'm so nervous because almost everybody here speaks the French, but I think they understand a little bit of English. So I'm just going to film short clips and show you guys, okay? What are your dreams? What are your dreams?
Excellent managers.
What are you passionate about? I love CSMA and I am passionate about CSMA. I am passionate about the success in CSMA. Whenever I look at a chairman, whenever I look at a cheerleader, is my trainer.
Comme ça parle de formatrice.
I am motivated to be like them every day.
Je suis toujours motivé pour être comme eux demain.
It means I am passionate about the business.
Je suis passionné dans le travail.
You cannot admire the chairman, admire the vice chairman, and then you are not passionate about the business.
Tu ne peux pas admirer le fondateur avec le vice chairman et tout dit que tu veux être passionné.
Because you cannot attract what you don't like.
Tu ne peux pas
Times are there to build you up.
Le moment difficile, le moment négatif, c'est ça pour nous bâtir.
The passive moments are there to train you on how to be strategic.
Et le moment passé, c'est pour nous former, pour appliquer les stratégies.
And the positive moments are evidence of your hard work.
Et le moment positif, c'est le moment de notre travail. C'est-à-dire le travail qu'on a fait, on voit maintenant.
If you like CSME, invest in CSME.
Si tu aimes la CSME, investis.